Oh, well, that was fun. Oh, Slappy. Oh, Slappy. Let's see. Felt like we are down about 200 points today, and we were down, I think we closed down 6. Sellers came in, tried to break 4,100 for the second time this week. Nope. They got about a tick under, and that was about it. Sorry, excuse me, I just ate some saltines. All right. That was fucking ridiculous is what that was. Let's see. I call him Slappy. You know why? You should know why. Let's see if I can pull this up on the I'm exhausted, sorry, but we'll get through this, I promise. I got some good content per usual. Is that right? That looks good. I'll move this over a little bit. Alright, you don't need to see my face. How's that? I'll use this one. I wish I could zoom in, for fuck's sake. Alright, let's take a peek. I guess we can go bigger with this hold, please. Get that out of here. Let's make this bigger. I can move this up a bit. There, how about that? Alright, we'll get moving here. We'll get moving, I promise. So that's the full day. It's a 3-minute chart. I mean, it looks whatever. Nothing too notable with it. Just the end of the day rally. From 115 all the way to the end. Let's see if we can find Slappy. Fucking Slappy. Nope, starting to see him already. I need like probably a 30-second to see it better. Let's start. I love interactive brokers, but their charts need fucking work. I keep telling them, but they don't want to listen. Slappy showed up around here. I guess I do have to go 5 seconds to really see it. Oh, fucking bullshit. Why won't you let me move, you dicks? Is this what I mean? It's just fucking unnecessary. There's Slappy right there. Out of nowhere. Volume 4,100 on the 5-second chart. Just a dump of 4,500 shares. I think it's more like half. I think they count double, so it's like 2,200 shares-ish. He did it there. He did it there. Every time we tried the rally, Slappy showed up. He did it there. He did it there and there. He did it there and there. But the buyers stepped in here. They really tried to put a low in. Then we tried to rally. Slappy. Slappy. Then we tried to rally. Got a pretty good rally in. Slappy. Slappy. Slappy, Slappy. These are all at least 1,000 shares. Market orders just slamming the S&P futures. There's another Slappy, Slappy, Slappy. Slappy, Slappy. Slappy. Try the rally. This is 130. Slappy. Big slappy. And then I think that was about 41. Nope, there it is. There's the low. Slappy. 2 more lows. I think they did it. I think it's all bullshit. Market manipulation. If you don't think this market's manipulated, you're naive or in denial or whatever. This coincided with 4,100 on the S&P. So we rallied, but then every time Slappy showed up, we popped over his bar, which is bullish. Signs of a reversal. Slappy came in again, rallied right back up. He tried to beat us again. Nope. Rallied. And then this was a big one. This was like the kill switch for Slappy. It was big volume coming in. He tried to come in and slap, and they just go, nope, we're done with you, pal. I think that kind of was it. He had one more there late. Yeah, a couple more. All right, anyways. I know Slappy showed up after hours, too. That's cute. Anyways, he got fucking bagged. All of his cells ended the day red, so. But what I think that is just market manipulation. Just fucking market maker. Doesn't give a shit about futures because they just want to suppress volume everywhere else. I mean, that's kind of funny looking there. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Manipulation. Let's scoot over to Meta. I could have made so much fucking money on Meta if I traded it more. I held too long. I mean, I collected a lot, but look at this. Look at this horse shit. This is the call chain for this week. Every fucking day this week, the 240s, the 237.5s, and the 235s traded huge. Look at the puts. Nothing. And every time Meta got over 235, they just started fucking hammering these calls. Just selling the shit out of them. And there was a lot of good news for Meta this week. And every time it popped up, nope. They sold. And all fucking week, this is open interest on the right. All week, this stayed flat. Completely flat. But volume, today was actually lower. Yesterday, it was over 100,000. 100,000 on Wednesday, too. And they do that to just fucking manipulate the price. There's no other fucking reason to do it. It's unbelievable. They did it all fucking week. They did it with Microsoft too. 309 I've tweeted us like 100 times. It's sticky as fuck. And look at this. 310s, 35,000. There's some decent puts today, but they did this on Meta all week. I think they did the same shit on Apple all week. 68,000, 22,000. It's not retail they're fucking bagging either. It's just they're moving the price around using the options market. It's fucking annoying is what it is. And they want to ban short sellers. They should fucking ban market makers. They're just fucking manipulating the shit out of this thing. Which is why you get moves like you get today. That end of the day rally was pretty cool. Alright. So, fuck you, Slappy. Fuck you, market makers. Let's see. I do want to talk about two things. Where did it finish? Rum finished flat. I told you it'd be a rocky road. Tanked on Tucker Carlson going to Twitter instead. I said it'll be fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It was at 10 before Tucker was even a thing. So selling on Tucker not coming over made no sense, and sure enough, it bounced back from 9 all the way back to 10, and now it's sitting near breakout point again. Again, Tucker wasn't the reason this thing's going to fly. It's going to fly because of censorship on YouTube and everybody moving over slowly but surely. And once they get some good live streams going, start crushing it there, more and more people will come over. And then ad revenue will increase, and then revenue in general will increase, and then this thing will fly. Culper has it wrong. They're just fucking short. like they always are with a $10 stock with limited upside. Their upside is limited on their short, is my point. So rum looks fucking good. I like it still. And Novix is just, this thing's just getting manipulated, ain't it? Just loves this 1250 area. But again, just one good purchase order or release of just something. This thing's full send. Another one is Nonix. We started talking about this 2 weeks ago, and this thing's been up fucking wow. But what I don't like, so Johnson & Johnson bought 330-some thousand shares. Goldman bought like 30,000, nothing big. But BlackRock bought 3 million shares of this. You know what that means? Next week, mark my words, next week, there's going to be weekly options. Right now, it's only monthly. It's going to be weekly options only. And volume and options is going to go fucking through the roof. And price is going to be fucking stuck. They're going to crush volatility like they do with everything. They buy a bunch of shares of a stock so they can manipulate the price. This is the casino I'm talking about. So when I see that, I mean, yeah, on the surface it looks bullish, but really it's just going to fucking suppress volatility in this thing. Which, I mean, slow and steady. I mean, they still got a long way to go to prove that they got a good business. But, yeah, I'm not a big fan of BlackRock buying into this because now they can manipulate the fuck out of it. I think that's it. Slappy got fucked. Late sellers got fucked. We're stuck in the same range we've been in for God knows how long now. Late March, all of April. Brutal. Also, this is the last thing I'll just talk about quickly is never before has the Michigan sentiment release had any effect on the market ever. And all of a sudden, the past 2, I think 3 releases weren't even that fucking off. Or, well, Tay was somewhat big, but if you back test Michigan, they don't even fucking University of Michigan their forecasts haven't been right ever. So it's just an arbitrary number. And right when that number came on, the fucking Slappy showed up. Just a fucking excuse to unload. Another excuse to unload. So we got debt ceiling. We got inflation coming down, which now everybody says is pointing towards a recession. Crude is tanking. I think it was under $70 for the first time in a long time. Rates are back up. So now rates are up today. So now everybody's... I mean, that's bearish as fuck stocks, all of those things together, based on the sentiment and the narrative that you read on FinTwit. But here we are. We can't even break 4,100. It's all just fucking bullshit. It's all just bullshit. It's a big-ass fucking casino. And you just gotta fucking take your money and run. If I did that, God, I'm so upset with myself with the meta. I kind of traded in and out of those 235s all week, but if I literally bought them, and when I was staying, almost every time they doubled and then went back, and then doubled and then went back, and then doubled. And I just held them, and then they ended up worthless. I made money ultimately, but at the end of the day, they went worthless. If I just fucking traded those things, I would have made a killing this week. So keep that in mind for next week. Because I will be trading it again. Because there's fucking zero reason this thing's not 242 right now. Zero reason. Fucking garbage, man. Sick of these market makers. Oh, Slappy. Still here after hours. Good job, pal. You did great work today. Fucking loser. Alright, that'll do it for me. That's enough ranting. Sorry if I was a little angry on this one. Long, testy day, but ultimately ended green. Very green, actually. So I'll leave with that. Have a good weekend. Don't think dumb, and I'll see